To create a board on Monday.com, start by logging into your account and clicking on the plus sign at the top right corner of the dashboard. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the option to create a new board. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Monday.com offers a wide range of templates for various use cases, such as project management, marketing, and sales. If you choose to start from scratch, you will be presented with a blank board where you can add columns and items. Columns are the backbone of any board on Monday.com. They represent different data types and are used to capture information about each item on the board. Common column types include text, date, person, and status. To add a column, click on the plus sign at the top of the board and select the column type you want to add. Once you have added columns to your board, you can start adding items. Items represent individual tasks, projects, or entities, and each item can have multiple columns associated with it. To add an item, click on the plus sign at the bottom of the board and fill in the relevant information. To make your board more organized and easy to use, you can group items together using groups. Groups can be based on different criteria, such as status, priority, or category. To add a group, click on the Group button at the top right corner of the board and select the criteria you want to use. You can also add dashboards to your board to get a high-level overview of your data. Dashboards can include charts, graphs, and other visualizations that help you understand your data better. To add a dashboard, click on the Dashboard button at the top right corner of the board and select the type of dashboard you want to add. Finally, to share your board with others, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the board and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with. You can also set permissions to control what others can see and do on your board. By following these steps, you can create a board on Monday.com that meets your specific needs and helps you manage your work more efficiently. Remember to keep your board organized, use meaningful column names, and take advantage of the many features and integrations that Monday.com offers.